Hey there. I want to quickly talk about something today I hear about a lot, and that is, a very valid question. Uh, why would somebody sell their home to an investor? And this is a very valid question, right? When you need to sell your home, you know what to do. You call a real estate agent, right? 99 times out of 100, if I want to sell my house, I'm going to call a real estate agent. Now the next question is, who and what and how much, but I'm not calling an investor. So why would I sell my home to an investor? If you're reaching out to an investor like me, you are looking for relief from some problem related to your home that you cannot get by selling it on the retail market with a real estate agent, right? What do I mean? The home that you're trying to sell, whether it's yours or maybe a home you inherited, right? We get a lot of that where someone inherits a home that they've never lived in, and the home is in such bad shape that no retail buyer would buy it, or it's your own home and it happens. The home is in such bad shape, it's so cluttered, it's such a hoarder house, it's in such bad disrepair that you don't want your neighbors coming in here and looking. You don't want pictures of your home on Zillow and Realtor.com for the world to see. And people, people may know who you are, they know where you live, but they've never been in your home. And now you're selling your home. You don't want people to see how you've lived, right? There are a lot of people like that, everyday good people that on the outside have everything together, and inside their home, things aren't so together. Maybe they've run into illness or financial problems or whatever the case may be, right? And you don't want the hassle of selling your home with a real estate agent, and you don't want to expose your interior problems to the world. Who else? Why else would you sell your house to an investor, right? You need to sell your house right away. You're being transferred for the military. You're going through a divorce. You have a sudden onset illness, someone's sick out of state, and now you have to go take care of them, or any number of things that says to you, I now have to leave my house right away. I don't have 60, 90, 120 days to go list my home and have pictures taken and then have an inspection and then have an appraisal, and then have a reappraisal, and then have a reinspection, and make repairs at the behest of the bank. These things happen, and a regular sale, even here in Virginia, where it's very fast in comparison to my old state of New York, can be 60 or 90 days, and people don't have that. So you sell to an investor to trade for time and convenience. We come in and we can buy your house in as little as 20 or 30 days in most cases. All right, no inspections or no appraisals, or if we're doing an appraisal, it's just for our own business. It's not going to hold up the sale of your home, right? So those are the reasons that people sell to an investor. And for 99% of people, selling to an investor is not the right choice. But if you're one of that 1 or 2% of people who are in a situation where you need to sell your home and you don't have enough equity in your home to even cover the closing costs, where if you were to sell it to a retail buyer, you would have to bring money to closing to give away your home. As an investor, we can fix that. We can even help you walk away with money as opposed to bringing money to the table. There's many options available by selling your home to a real estate investor such as us, but it's usually only for a small group of people. So it is a good question. Why would I sell my home to an investor? Because you're in the situation of 1 or 2 or 3% of the population that really needs a different service than a realtor can give you. All right, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them down below. Shoot me an email or a text. I'd love to talk to you. Have a great day.